Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying minimal prerequisites: an AWS account, an IAM user with EC2 and auto-scaling rights, and a prepared AMI. Next, create a launch template or launch configuration. Pick instance type, key pair, user data, and security groups so instances boot correctly. Once done, select the VPC and subnets for placement and tag resources for identification. Make sure to enable detailed monitoring if you want 1-minute metrics for scale decisions, and attach IAM roles for S3 or CloudWatch access. You now define the core scaling logic inside an auto-scaling group. Attach your launch template, choose subnets, and set min, desired, and max capacities based on expected load. Then configure scaling policies, target tracking for CPU or request count, step scaling for sudden spikes, or simple policies for basic thresholds. Once done, add health checks, lifecycle hooks, and instance warm-up to prevent premature termination. Make sure to test using CloudWatch alarms and simulate load to validate behavior before production traffic. You finish by integrating the auto-scaling group with an ELB or ALB, registering target groups and configuring health probes so traffic shifts smoothly. Once done, enable SNS notifications for scaling events and send logs to CloudWatch for postmortems. Make sure load tests trigger the policies and adjust cooldowns and warm-up to stabilize behavior. If things go wrong, check IAM permissions, termination policies, and user data scripts. Often a failing init script or missing role causes instances to fail health checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.